Guys, the hardest part of the van life project, as per now, is to actually find the van. I've been looking at Ford Transits, Ram ProMasters, as well as the Mercedes Sprinter, and my budget was $15,000. And they would either be super old or super high mileage with bad issues, with electrical issues, with mechanics issues. And I was looking mostly on Facebook Marketplace because I wanted to make it on a budget. Instead, I started looking on Car Gurus, where I found one company, very interesting, called CarZoom. CarZoom is a company that has its headquarters in Massachusetts, from what I understand, and they operate kind of like Carvana. You buy a car, they ship it to you, you have 1 month of warranty, and you're good. And I found the Ram ProMaster for $9,900. I couldn't negotiate it, but the price was so good that even with dealer fees, which is one of the reasons why I tend to look mostly on Facebook Marketplace, in this case $400 and transport, with around $11,000 in total, I got the car. You will see me now talking to the guy, telling me how everything works, and I'm gonna go back after that to have a little recap. I found you guys on CarZoom.
Okay, yeah. I mean, we deliver. We have local, our dealerships are in Massachusetts, but we deliver all over the 50 states. But that is true. We do deliver. People can come here and look at them and drive them. But it sounds like in your case, you would just need it to be delivered to you.
I just need to. Okay. Any kinds of warranties that the car doesn't have any mechanical issues, that I turn it on and it has a check engine light or something like that?
Yes. Yep. You have a 30-day warranty, guaranteed state inspections. It's a great van for the price.
Do I get a title in my name at least, or?
Oh yeah, we have the title for sure. Yes, we
Okay.
send you the title. We send you the to you.
Okay.
There's a title with every van.
And but I'm saying, do you get it? Like, do you get me a Virginia title, or do I have to go to DMV and then title it myself?
So yeah, so you need new plates, right?
I mean, yeah, of course.
Okay, so however you would do it in Virginia. So when you get the bill,
Okay.
you would go to your DMV or you do it online, and then they would reissue you a Virginia title. It's
Okay.
a mass title right now.
Okay.
Yep, that's the way they do it.
And what are you guys' fees?
So the only fee that you'd be paying here would be the dealer.
Okay, and how do we set up transport?
Transport, yeah. So transport would be a fee. We have a transport company that we use. It's called Central Dispatch, and we would get you whatever the rate would be is what we would get you the rate. Probably, I'm gonna say it's it's hundreds of dollars, I believe, to get it shipped there. I'd have to get a quote from them because the shipping rates change day to day, pending weather, available trucks. But you're going down Route 95, so it's a great route to ship down. They're always going down that way, so it's
Okay.
We just sold a van to a guy yesterday, and was it? Oh, I think he was in Virginia. He was either in Virginia or Pennsylvania, and we set the shipping up at 9 in the morning. The shipping company was there at noon, and he had it the same day. If you can believe it, they brought it like 9 o'clock at night. So that route, it could happen very fast, is what I'm trying to say.
Okay, so let me book. I gotta say, it is a pretty good price if it doesn't have any check engine lights and stuff. But yeah.
No, I actually bought this van myself. I do a lot of the buying here. I shouldn't say we're a smaller company, but we use as you can see, our state-of-the-art website. So we use our website for all the transactions. So we eliminate all. So I do a lot of the buy-in, and we just buy. We don't buy from auctions at this company. We have relationships with fleet companies.
Okay.
So these.
Yeah, I saw this was
Yep. So as soon as you fill that out, it'll get the file over to you, and you take a look at the file, and then as long as everything's good, you'll have the ACH form on there. You'll see it. You're going to be impressed with this. So
awesome. Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
Guys, this was probably one of the quickest car transactions I've ever done in my life. As you can see, I already said it as in the video, I already worked in a dealership in the past, and I remember it will be a 4-hour process. Now, in this case, I don't have to be there and wait for the whole processing, and I'm going to pay cash for it. The hardest part is the whole financing part, so I don't really care about that part there. I like the fact they're going to bring it to you. They have a 30-day warranty, which is something I've never seen on, let's say, the car industry, especially used cars, because there's a tendency of selling lemons. This could be a lemon. I'm taking the risk. 10 grand for a ProMaster Ram is $5,000 below my budget. It is higher mileage, but these things are very cheap to replace engines on. A used engine is $2,000, and they're very, let's say, accessible to replace. So I'm pretty happy about that. And they're pretty reliable. It's a very popular car in Italy. It is the typical USPS, Italian USPS van from Bartolini. That's what we call. I don't want to go deep into that. So yeah, I guess with this purchase, I'm going to go now to the bank. We're going to start the series with M&T Store that is going to provide me all the tools and help me out also with the build out. And I'm going to see if some of the Italian van life people are going to help me out also with planning this, because never done this. I'm shitting my pants. So let's get to it. Let's go to the bank. So guys, we officially got the car. It is now Sunday. The call you saw was on Friday. Tomorrow I'm going to do the ACH wiring and everything. Send them around 10.8 grand. I have to do the whole tiling myself, which is another $400, $500 of taxes. So of around $12,000, I got myself a van, which is $3,000 cheaper than budget. The question is, can I make a whole van with less than $30,000 in total, which is the next part of the project. Once again, I already started talking with M&T Store just to talk about the tools that we need. They're gonna ship to me. I always remind you, M&T Store, competitive prices for American tools, expanding now to the United States because they were very appreciated in Italy. Top American quality, top prices, even among bigger competitors in this sector. Check them out. I love them, and you're gonna see them mentioned multiple times across all my videos. But that said, I am pretty satisfied. The search took me 5 days, and I spent 2 hours a day. I was kind of getting very nervous and stressed because I couldn't find the van, and I went for a 2015 Ram ProMaster. It has a lot of miles, but these engines are good. They're easy to replace. A new engine of those is like $4,000. Doesn't worry me too much. And I saw vans with the same amount of mileage go for $30,000, $40,000 when converted to a van life project that goes to be under that, so I can quickly sell it. So we see how we're gonna do it.